Racing company licenses innovative ORNL fast-charging battery technologies. From the ORNL website, link in the description below. Like and subscribe. Susan Hubbard, ORNL's Deputy for Science and Technology, and Ricardo Mark Antony Duncanson, founder of Mark Antony Racing, celebrated the company's licensing of ORNL-developed technologies during an event on October 17th. Credit: Carlos Jones, ORNL, U.S. Department of Energy. Mark Antony Racing has licensed a collection of patented energy storage technologies developed at the Department of Energy's Oak Ridge National Laboratory. The technologies focus on components that enable fast-charging, energy-dense batteries for electric and hybrid vehicles and grid storage. The New England-based company is exploring ways to move the racing industry away from fossil fuels while maintaining the dynamic driving experience loved by motorsports enthusiasts. Through new combinations of materials and design, the team has discovered components that break the barrier to fast-charging, power-dense lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles. Additionally, the components meet a key Department of Energy goal of reducing vehicle battery charging time to under 15 minutes, which gets EV charging closer to the time needed to refuel a gas-powered vehicle. Charging time is a major obstacle to the widespread adoption of EV technology needed to achieve the nation's goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2050. For Day and the scientific team, who have worked to advance energy technology for decades, interest from a racing company was an unexpected and welcomed development. Our research started at the fundamental level. I had no idea at that time that this could lead to something useful for racing, Day said. Our previous research was focused on solving the problem of long charging for cell phone batteries. Batteries degrade and lose capacity to hold power. We wanted to understand the parasitic reaction mechanisms that degrade the battery. There is a lot of serendipity in discovery. We never quite know where it could go. Parenthemin led the research to develop a cathode component that better maintains function as it ages. We've been working towards this technology for the last several years, he said. The coating we developed could reduce degradation and improve the stability of battery cathode materials over time. This could potentially improve the shelf life of the battery. Mark Antony Racing was founded by Ricardo Mark Antony Duncanson, who fell in love with racing by tinkering in the garage of a family member who raced cars. After an extensive career with Audi, Duncanson formed his own company in 2017, as the electric vehicle industry was beginning to grow. Currently based in Connecticut, Duncanson plans to relocate his operations to Tennessee. With a well-established automotive manufacturing ecosystem and a growing industry centered on batteries for electric vehicles, Tennessee provides advantages to an EV-focused entrepreneur. Tennessee is a great place to do what we're doing: motorsports and high-performance cars. There's a rich motorsports history and infrastructure in the region, Duncanson said. He is exploring further work with ORNL through REV, a voucher program for Tennessee companies funded by the state of Tennessee and operated by the University of Tennessee and ORNL. Mark Antony Racing provides an exciting opportunity to test our technologies, de-risking further commercialization efforts to develop this technology for a range of industries, said Susan Hubbard, ORNL's Deputy for Science and Technology. And relocating to the Oak Ridge corridor, Rick will be joining a robust entrepreneurial ecosystem focused on clean energy technology that is supported and strengthened by ORNL's expertise and facilities. Duncanson expects that any improvements made to racing vehicles will quickly be adopted by the wider automotive industry, facilitated by exposure to the many high-tech companies working in racing. Other inventors of these technologies include former ORNL postdoctoral researchers Bin-Kun Gua, Jinan Kwa, Shun Wan, and Zhang Bi. ORNL hosts an expansive portfolio of innovative battery technology available for commercialization. Contact the Technology Transfer Office to learn more. UT Batul manages ORNL for the Department of Energy's Office of Science, the single largest supporter of basic research in the physical sciences in the United States. The Office of Science is working to address some of the most pressing challenges of our time. For more information, please visit energy.gov/science.